Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to take a look at how to remove the newly added news and interests widget, which you can see here. So if you've got Windows Update running in the background like I have, you may have noticed that this recently appeared on your taskbar. And if you're anything like me, I like to keep my desktop rather clean, so it's kind of aimed at productivity more than anything else. And as you can see from my desktop, I like to keep it quite clean. This isn't how I keep my desktop just for recording videos. I like to keep it this clean so I can focus on the task at hand. And so when this appeared, I wasn't sure what it was, but actually having had a look, it's a news and interests widget that Microsoft believe I need in my life. But as it turns out, I don't actually need it, so I'm going to remove it, because this is nothing more than a distraction to me. I mean, don't get me wrong, if you want something like this, you might find that it's a good way to kill time. You might want to look at the latest stories and news. Personally, me, if I'm working, I prefer to set aside maybe 5, 10, 15 minutes during my day to look at news. I don't want this thing in the bottom right hand corner of my screen kind of distracting me from doing what I need to do. Anyway, without further ado, let's have a look at how to remove it. So right click on the taskbar and select news and interests, and then it's as simple as clicking turn off, and as you can see, it has disappeared. Absolutely fantastic. And if we want it back, I think it goes without saying, but we right click the taskbar, hover over news and interests and click show icon only or show icon and text. So let's click on show icon and text. Don't misunderstand me, I'm not knocking it. It's actually quite a useful little widget, but if you just noticed it appear and you want to remove it, that's how you remove it. Some people may like this. It will show you the weather, the temperature, actually traffic updates. So it is actually quite useful, but not for me. This is just something I don't need on my desktop, and I don't need it in my life. So just one more time, to remove it, we right click on the taskbar, hover over news and interests, and then just turn it off. And with that said, that wraps up this very quick video. If you found it useful, go ahead and click the like button for me. That would be absolutely brilliant. And even better still, if you want to see similar content to this in the future, why not consider subscribing? You'll be making my day. And with that said, take care everybody. Enjoy the rest of your day.